How to export 60 FPS in DaVinci Resolve. So first things first, head over to DaVinci and head over to the untitled project. You're going to make sure that there are no clips or video footage into the media pool. You want to do this beforehand. You want to do this before importing the media pool onto your timeline. So head over to File section right here and then quickly navigate through project settings. You can do that by pressing Shift and 9, or you can just manually navigate through it. And then you're going to head over to the timeline frame rate, which is 60 as of now. It's already preset to 60. If it is preset to 30, you're going to go all the way and set it off to 60. Now, once you're done, you're going to quickly save the settings. Mine were already set up to 60 FPS, but in case yours were set up to 30, you can quickly change the frame rate to 60 from there, and then quickly click on save. Now I click on save, and here, then you're going to import your media pool. Quickly, let me just add import a project or media right up from here. And this one is going to be in 60 FPS this time. You can see in the timeline that the project is in 60 FPS this time. It's already preset to 60 FPS instead of being on 30 FPS like before. So guys, this is how you can export 60 FPS in DaVinci Resolve. Now when I head over to quick export, you can see the frame rate is already 60 FPS because we have preset that from the project settings.